Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Loves and today I would like to share my bike trip experience to Pyramid Valley. We started our journey around 8:30 am on Saturday morning. Pyramid Valley is around 66 km from my place, which is in Whitefield, Bangalore. The roads were in good condition. The last 2 km is village area and we found a beautiful lotus pond on our way. The sight of the wild pink lotuses blooming in the pond surrounded by lush green forest is truly breathtaking. Passerby can also enjoy the beauty of the lotus pond from the road. The lotus has a unique daily life cycle of life, death and rebirth, which led to the phrase lotus flower of life. Pink lotus symbolizes the essence of Buddha. Pyramid Valley is open for visitor from 10 am to 5 pm. Entry is free. Proper parking facility is provided, 10 Indian rupees for bike parking and 20 Indian rupee for car parking. It's primarily a meditation center based on harnessing the energy generated within a pyramid structure of height 100 feet. Within the pyramid, at the base, there are lots of chairs organized where people can sit and meditate in absolute silence. It is pin drop silence. Kids up to 8 years are not allowed inside. Also, we need to remove the footwear and go inside. The real gain is when we meditate at least for a minimum 30 minutes or so, since one can harness all energy within. The society also has a cafeteria that serves some real decent food at affordable price. There are 2 to 3 toilet facilities in average condition. There is a very quaint gift shop and bookstore on the premises. There are parks around the complex. are couple of water bodies with statues in them, and it lends to the overall ambience of place. The entire campus is dotted with high energy spots for meditation and silent retreat. In addition, we can attend one of the numerous workshops and training conducted. Take a break from your daily grind and spend some time in silence and solitude amid the serene surrounding. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel.